Hi guys. So here's something most ACCA students learn the hard way. The P-level papers are never cleared in the final month. They are cleared in the months before it, quietly, consistently, and long before the panic sets in. And for the September 2026 sitting, you have exactly that window open right now. If we haven't met, I'm Satyamedh Nandedkar. I'm a chartered accountant, ACCA. I've completed my CS and USCMA, and I have been a faculty for ACCA for the last 7 years. Over these last 7 years, I have mentored students across all the levels, across all the papers, producing global and India rank holders and consistently beating the global average with the results that my students deliver. And I have sat across from hundreds of students at exactly the same stage that you are at right now. Today, I want to walk you through the cohort I'm opening for September and more importantly, how it's built to actually get you through these papers. Because, see, here's the truth about all your P level papers SBR, AFM, ATX, AAA, SBL, APM. At this level, knowing the technical content is not enough. The examiner is testing whether you can apply it, structure it, and show professional judgment under time pressure. And that's a different skill, and it's one you can train. So every paper in this cohort is built around that. You will get detailed notes and flowcharts that turn complex topics into something you can actually see and remember. You will get answer writing techniques, exam solving strategies, how to read a requirement, plan your answer, and score the marks that are actually on offer. There's a deliberate focus on professional skills because that's where so many people will lose marks, and that can make the difference between fail and pass. We'll work through past exam questions the way the examiner intends you to. And to make sure you are genuinely ready, you get 4 topic-wise tests, 2 full-length mocks, and a rapid revision session right before the paper. SBR, AFM, and ATX run on the weekends. SBL, APM, and AAA run on weekdays. So serious preparation fits around your job or your other commitments, not the other way around. The full schedule and timings are in the description. Whether September is your first attempt at these papers or your next one, the goal is the same, right? To walk into that exam hall genuinely prepared, not just hopeful. So, if you are sitting one of these papers, here's what to do. Tell me in the comments which paper you are targeting. I read each and every comment. The enrollment link and full schedule will be given to you. And if you want this kind of guidance as we head into September, subscribe and stick around. Start early, prepare properly, and I'll see you in the batches. Thank you.